So we don't want to speak in little sentences like this, I see a dog. It would be more interesting if we said, I see a gray, small dog sneaking around the house. Is that more interesting?
That's a big sentence.
That's a big sentence, and it sounds more interesting. Okay, so today I need a helper. It's going to be someone who helps with the markers because I need to put the words in the right color so it can help us to remember. Okay, this is very hard to choose. All right, take a belly breath. Okay, Addison, I love the way you came back to us from Calm Down Corner. It was amazing. We're going to start with what the words are on our poster. And it goes like this. Adjective. Tap your brain and say adjective.
Adjective.
And say it one more time. Say adjective.
Adjective.
Say noun.
Noun.
Noun. Say verb. We're going to learn about these words. Say prepositional phrase.
Prepositional phrase.
When we read this poster, we have our words on there. It's a song. It goes like this. Adjective, adjective, noun. Adjective, adjective, noun. Adjective, adjective, noun. Verb. Prepositional phrase. You do remember, okay, you remember it from the frog poster. So a noun is a person, place, or thing, or object. It's a person, place, or thing. I was thinking about science this week. When I planned this lesson, I was thinking about animals change their and I wondered if we could make an interesting sentence about animals. Is an animal a person, place, or an object? What do you think? Would an animal be an example of noun? I see some of you shaking your head. It really is, yes. So, Addison, I need green, please. Clara, go ahead and go. The noun today is going to be animals. Everyone say animals. Animals. All right, think of an animal you know about. Think about your favorite animal. You're going to turn and talk. What is your favorite animal? What animals do you like? What is an animal? Turn and talk.
A unicorn and a cat.
You can talk to Xander because your other partner left the bathroom. The noun today is going to be animals. Everyone say animals. Animals. All right, think of an animal you know about. Think about your favorite animal. You're going to turn and talk. What is your favorite animal? What animals do you like? What is an animal? Turn and talk.
A unicorn.
To adjective. An adjective describes. Everyone say describes.
Describe.
What the animal looks like.
What
Animal looks like. So I need this color right here. Oh, you're a great assistant. Who has some ideas of what animals look like? Their color, their size, their shape. Caleb, what could an animal look like? It could be green. I'm going to write it in red, and then when we process the chart, put a little green marker by it. You can help me with that, Addison. It could be a green animal.
Can I put the color green by it?
When we process, yes, you may. Brooklyn, what might an animal look like? Describe it.
Black and white.
It could be black. Same thing, we can add the colors later. Lovely assistant, I need orange, please. The next part of an interesting sentence is the action. Everyone say action. Action. This is called verb. Say verb. Verb. Okay, verb is what the animal can do. I'm going to start with Timothy because he already had a good one. Timothy. Jump. That's what an animal can do. It's its motion or its action. It can jump. It can jump. That's the action. Xander.
Run.
It can run. I bet that horse you rode can run.
Yeah, but it only walked because I was too late because I was too small to make it more.
Could I also write walk here? Would that be a verb? And Avery, what's your idea of an action word? Verb.
It can dig.
Dig.
Like a dog.
And Isabel. All right, lovely assistant, I need blue. Prepositional phrase. Your turn. Prepositional phrase. Go like this with your hands and say, where? Where is this animal that's so colorful and has a shape? Where is it going to do these actions? Where? Where do you want your animal to be in its environment? Colton.
It can be at a park.
At a park. That's a prepositional phrase. At a park. Isabel.
It can be at a horse show.
At a, instead of horse show, could I just put show? Because if it was a tiger, maybe the tiger would be doing an action at a tiger show. That make sense? Okay, so whatever kind of animal you choose, you can have it doing an action, a verb, at a show. Would there be an audience? Would we watch it? Okay, at a show. Timothy.
It can be at a jungle.
At the jungle. Could we change at a jungle to in the jungle? Let's change it up. We have a couple ats. Let's do in the jungle. That's a good one. All right, take a look at our sentence patterning chart. It's ready. Who wants to put it together to make the most interesting sentence that we will love? You can read it and then we sing it across the line. Go first. So you're going to pick two of the red ones, two adjectives. One animal, it's just going to be animal. So instead of saying horse, you're just saying animal. And then what it wants to do, what's its action, its verb, and then where it goes. All right, oh, that's so hard. I don't know what it's going to be. What is this? It's Isabel. Isabel first. It's so hard to choose. All right. Two describing words. What is this animal going to look like? You can ask me if you have some questions about the words. There's green, black, white, big, yellow, red, triangle, or soft. It's going to be a soft animal. And then what is it going to be, a color?
Soft.
Wash your hands, Addison. Black, soft. And then put animal. So you're going to say animal. Yep. And then what's its verb? What is it going to do? What's its action? Wants it to run. Where is it going to run? Where is it going to run? You ready? Okay, stand over here on this side so you can be in the movie. All right, so she chose black, soft, animals, run at a show. Okay, do you want to read it or sing it first? Read it? Okay, go ahead. Black, animals. All right, let's use our microphone. I know, me either. Okay, one more time. Black,
soft, animals run at a shop.
we're ready to sing it. Okay, you ready? Isabel, I'll help. Okay, here we go. We're going to say black and soft animals, black and soft animals. Ready? Go. Black and soft animals, black and soft animals, black and soft animals run at a show. Let's give Isabel some sparkles. Ready? Sentence patterning chart. Everyone say sentence patterning chart.
Sentence patterning chart.
Okay, well, let's remember. Tap your brain and say remember.
Remember.
Nice job tapping away. That a sentence patterning chart has interesting words. And we want our sentences when we speak and when we read to be interesting. We don't want them to be plain and ordinary. We want them to be interesting. So when we read or sing across a sentence patterning chart, we put the adjective first. Everyone say adjective.
Adjective.
Read it with me. Say describes.
Describes.
Then we have the noun, and the noun is a person, place, or thing. Ready? Say person, place, or thing.
Person, place, or thing.
And then we have a verb, an action. Everyone say action.
Action.
And then the biggest one, prepositional phrase. Read it with me.
Prepositional phrase.
Put your hands like this and say where.
Where.
That's where the action is taking place. So let's start by warming up our brain with adjective, adjective, noun. Adjective, adjective, noun. Adjective, adjective, noun. Verb, prepositional phrase. All right. I'm going to have you do turn and talk to a partner. When you turn and talk to your talking partner, I want you to talk about what adjectives you would pick if it was your turn. The noun is animals. The verb, what verb would you pick if it was your turn? And where would you have your animal doing that action? The prepositional phrase. Ready? Turn and talk. Share out what you said or what your talking partner said. This time we're going to go with the fours. Red number 4.
Mine is big yellow animals run at a show.
Wow, she even came right up and pointed to each part. So let's do a round of applause. Thank you, red number 4. All right. Great job of remembering a sentence patterning chart. What I thought was fabulous about yesterday is that you got to take what you learned and apply it. You wrote in your journals, and I would like to share some of your journal writing up on the big screen. If it's your turn to share, come on over and read your sentence for us, please. Xander. Nice speaking voice and pointing with your finger to the word so we know what you're reading.
A, B, brown, horse,
5.
Good job, Xander.
Good job, Xander.
To even make this more interesting of a sentence, we're going to get our own sentences, our own words to put into a sentence with our teammates. So this is called trading game. The first time we play it, you will have all of the parts that you need. You will have one word that's written in green. The green word will be your noun. It will always say animals because in our sentence patterning chart yesterday, we chose the word animals for our noun. Each team in their bag will have 2 adjectives. You'll have 2 words that describe your animal. Each team will have 1 orange word, and that's the verb, the action word. And each team will have one blue card that has a prepositional phrase. Here's your challenge. With your team, you will decide how to put your words in order. Everyone say in order.
In order.
Now, do you think someone should take over and do the whole thing for everybody?
No.
Be bossy?
No.
Snatch the words out of someone's hand?
No.
No, it would be a better strategy. Want to think of an idea when you're working in a team? Isabel?
Share the cards and let everyone get a chance.
Share the cards and let everyone have a chance. What if you disagree? It's going to be a solution to that small problem. You disagree in your team. Hera, do you have an idea?
You can take a belly breath and you can make 4 belly breath or a 3 belly breath.
Okay, so take a belly breath, think about it, and then get back to your task. So, the first group's going to be right here. It's the yellow group. Love you to be the helper to take your words out and put them in the middle of your yellow group. So you can stay sitting down right there on your circle, and you're going to be in this spot. Green team, I'd like you to take the words out, and you're going to use this middle section right here to organize. Caleb, right here in the middle. And Derek,
Yes.
right here in the middle. Isabel Colton might have an idea.
She said red. So put down your we need how much?
Looked like a good idea, Derek.
Somebody put down my arm hurt. I think when I got put down. Okay. Okay, everybody read together. Everybody. Me. Okay, Derek. Big yellow animals. Big yellow animals. Big yellow animals. Digs in the woods. Perfect. Now everybody read together. All right, on our sentence patterning chart for today, you have a bag of words. You might have 2 or 3 adjectives.
You might have to trade with another team. You might not have the noun called animals. And you'll need to ask another team to trade you. You might have a verb, or maybe you have two verbs. And you don't need two verbs. You only need how many verbs? One. And maybe you are missing a prepositional phrase. Your animal has nowhere to jump. You're missing the blue card. Let's look back at the board and remind ourselves the order of the colors in a sentence. So please say the colors with me. Red, green, orange, blue. That's the order of your sentence. Whoever has the bag in their hand, open up your bag, get your words out, work with your team to form an interesting sentence.
Okay, so it's red, green, orange.
Good job remembering. Addison, he has the words.
Let's go back a little bit.
Go ahead and put them in order.
Oh, we have another blue. So what happened to 3? To pick one. Nice. Yeah, we don't have 3. Wait. That blue card belongs to red.
Good problem solving, Xander and Isabel.
Okay. That blue one belongs to red. No, I'm talking about the red. They don't have yellow. Guys, let's ask another team or 2 red because we need it's in your hand. We need 2 red. We have 3 red. Does anybody have 2 green? Guys, this red. No, I don't. Guys, we have no red. We have 2 green. This is my pile. Small, yellow, small. That's perfect. Yellow, small.
The noun is animals. If you place it in there, Xander, I'm going to have your team read your sentence. Xander's group, the red group, has how many adjectives, Xander?
2 strong.
He has the word, they have the word strong 2 times, so he's going to read each word. So Xander, it's your turn. Go ahead.
Big, strong, animals jump in the woods. Too strong.
So instead of 2 adjectives, his sentence really has 3 adjectives, and it makes the sentence
Because we have 3 red.
even more interesting.